the session also. Yes. So, okay, Trisha, unmute yourself.
Yes, Mama, unmuted myself.
All right. Continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Bon après-midi. Today we are going to learn the salutation. So let's get started.
Can you move on to the first page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First slide. The first one, I think this is the third one.
This is the first one.
Scroll up. Do you know how to scroll the mouse? Okay.
Ma'am, should I go to the next slide?
Yeah, I think you are on the third slide. You can move on to the first one or the second one. We can see your screen of page number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, move to the second. Yeah, better.
Salute. Hi. Yes.
Yeah.
So the first salutation is salute. Salute means hi. Let's repeat it 2 times. Salute, salute. Now let's go to the second salutation, which is bonjour. Bonjour means good morning. Now I'll give you a suggestion. I know most of you say good morning to all your family members when you get up in the morning. So instead of good morning, you can say bonjour. So now let's go to the first salutation, which is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. Bon après-midi means good afternoon. So let's repeat it 3 times. Bon après-midi, bon après-midi, bon après-midi. Now the next is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Let's repeat it 3 times. Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. Next is bon nuit. Bon nuit means good night. Let's repeat it. Bon nuit, bon nuit.
Trisha, can you move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Or should I continue saying?
No, just move to the third slide. Move to the third slide.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, my third slide is this is my third slide.
This is I can see the second slide. Yeah. Like I think you are to the third slide.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am showing the sec. Oh.
Yeah. Now
Okay.
you move to the third slide.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, let me complete this one then.
Okay.
Next is au revoir. Au revoir is goodbye. Let's repeat it. Au revoir, au revoir, au revoir. Next is mercy. Mercy means thank you. Let's repeat it 3 times. Mercy, mercy, and mercy. Next is como tu t'appelles. Como tu t'appelles means what is your name? Como tu t'appelles. Como tu t'appelles. Now, next is je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle means
Trisha,
my
hold on. Trisha, you know, I think we all can see the another slide. Whatever you are saying, we cannot see that slide.
Oh.
Yeah.
And right now we can see the second slide.
Yeah,
The
we can
salute.
see the second slide, the first that you discussed, Salu. But I think you moved on
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
fourth slide, but you know, we can see the second slide. You, yeah, just,
Yes.
yeah, now we can see. Very nice.
Yes, I disconnected from the other device.
Okay, all right. Okay, continue.
Yes. So it's Jamapal. Jamapal means my name is. Suppose my name is Twisha, so I will say Jamapal Twisha. Now let's repeat it 3 times. Jamapal, Jamapal, Jamapal. Next is Kumusava. Kumusava means how are you? Now let's repeat it. Kumusava, Kumusava, Kumusava. Next is Savabia Messi. Savabia Messi means fine, thank you. Let's repeat it. Savabia Messi, Savabia Mercy, Savabia Mercy. Now let's revise the salutation. Salut means hi. Bonjour means good morning.
Trisha, again you may need to move to the 5th slide.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, on the 5th slide.
Yeah, better.
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's revise. Bon après-midi means good afternoon.
Hello.
Bonsoir means good evening. Bonne nuit means good night. Merci means thank you. Au revoir means goodbye. Comment tu t'appelles means what is your name. Je m'appelle means my name is. Comment ça va is how are you. Ça va bien merci means fine thank you. So I hope you all liked what I taught you today about the salutation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Trisha. Good job. Very nice. Okay, so do we have Pavit? Pavit here? Pavit? Okay, are you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay.
Ma'am, this is practice or this is test.
This is neither the practice nor the test. You know, we missed the 3rd September,
Okay.
4th September Teachers' Day celebration. So they are doing
Yes, ma'am.
that present.
Ma'am, can you give my turn afterwards because I am joining with the laptop. I can shake screen with the laptop. Oh, it is open now. 1 minute, ma'am. Oh,
Okay, so Pavit, are you ready for the day? Can you do the presentation now? Yes, sir.
ma'am, if all the 3rd September teachers are done,
Yeah.
can the 4th September can do after the 3rd
Yeah,
September
yeah,
teachers
yeah,
are
yeah.
done?
Once they are done, you can do. Okay. So, Pavit, are you ready? No? Okay. Okay.
1 minute.
1 minute? Okay. Okay. And Ishal? Ishal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pavit, are you ready? Okay. So, can you share the screen? Yes? Okay. Very nice. Mm-hmm. Yes. I can't hear you, Pavit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Continue.
Ma'am, can you start with someone else? I will.
Okay. Okay. Ishal, are you ready? Ishal? Okay. I think Ishal is also not here. All right. So, Sanvi, can you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Please
Okay,
start.
ma'am.
Yeah. Please start.
Yes, ma'am. I will just share.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, please give me 1 minute. I'm going to just open my PPT.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Presentation day salutations.
Okay. Anyone else would like to do today?
Ma'am, I would like to do.
Ma'am, my slide is open. Should I continue?
Yeah, you can. Please share the
ma'am.
screen.
Ma'am, Pavit?
Pavit, can you share now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please share.
1 minute.
You will be given first
Someone
preference.
has-
Sanvi, can you hold? Sanvi,
Oh,
yeah,
yes, ma'am.
can you hold?
Sorry.
Pavit will be given first preference.
Yes.
Okay, yes, Pavit.
Yes, ma'am.
I would also like to do.
Ma'am, now
Very
you
nice.
can see me. Yes, ma'am. Pavitra started screen sharing.
Yeah, yeah,
We
very
can
nice,
see.
Pavit. Good job. Very nice. We can see. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. I am Pavit. Let's learn the good evening. Let's learn the French in colors in French. Les colors. Les, one minute. The first color is white, and we say white in French blanc, blanc, blanc.
Very
Ma'am,
nice.
I cannot hear Pavit's voice. It's very low.
Yeah, Pavit, can you be a little louder?
Ma'am, now?
Yeah, better.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am, we say yellow in French jaune. Jaune.
John, very nice.
Jaune.
Very nice.
Next is orange.
Wow,
We say orange in French orange.
very nice.
Orange.
Orange. Good job.
Wow.
Okay. Wow.
And in the next, we say red in French rouge.
Rouge. Wow, very nice.
Rouge. And
Okay.
and we say pink in French rose. Rose.
Rose.
Rose.
Very nice.
Rose. And we in the next slide we say purple in French violet. Violet.
Very nice.
Violet.
Good job.
And in the next we say blue in French bleu.
Blur.
Blur.
Wow, very nice.
Bleu. And we say in the next slide we say green in French vert.
Very,
Vert.
very nice. Okay.
And in the next slide we say beige in French beige.
Beige.
Beige. Beige in French beige.
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 Very nice.
Beige.
So in French, we say as beige.
Beige.
Okay. Wow.
In the next slide we
Yes.
say gray in French gray. Gray. Some noise is coming. Ma'am, some noise is coming.
Okay. Let me mute. Okay. Continue.
Yes, ma'am. And we say in the next slide we say brown in French marron. Marron.
Good
Marron.
job.
And in the last the color black we say in black in French noir. Noir.
Noir.
Noir.
Very nice.
Noir.
Good
Ma'am,
job.
the
Yes.
one minute. Ma'am,
Okay. So anyone has any question from Pavel? Any doubt you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a
Can
doubt.
you repeat gray? Can you repeat gray once again?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have also a doubt.
Doubt? Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So you can ask Pavit sir if you have any doubt. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt that
Okay.
how did he pronounce
Yeah.
beige? Beige color. How did you pronounce beige?
Okay. So can you share the screen, Pavit? Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask. My mom said that your father is unwell, so I wanted to ask. You had not made our YouTube video on 1st September, so will the 1st September be which day?
Sorry, I cannot understand you, like what you are saying.
Ma'am,
Pavid,
Pavid, I have a doubt in page
Hold
color.
on. Okay, hold on, Adya. Later on, you can ask. Okay. All right. Yes. What is
Ma'am, I
the
have a doubt in beige color.
beige? Okay. So, Pavit sir, can you reply?
Beige. Beige.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Beige.
Very good. Very good, Pavit. Okay. Next question. Any other question? No.
Can I? No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Very nice. Okay. And Pavit sir, you want to ask something? No.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay. Yes, Paki.
Ma'am, how do we say orange in French?
Okay. So, Pavit sir, please reply.
What, ma'am? How do we say orange in French?
Orange. Yes.
Orange.
Orange. Okay. All right.
How do we say purple? Violet. Thank you. Violet.
Violet. Very nice. Okay. All right. Good job, Pavit. Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Sanvi, are you ready? Can you start
Yes,
sharing?
ma'am.
Okay. Please.
Ma'am, is my voice clear?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Bon après-midi. Today we will learn les salutations, which means greetings in French. Bienvenue. So now I would like you all to observe this slide for a moment. Okay. So I'm going to ask one that what did you observe in this slide and what did you understand by this slide? So Atish, would you like to say something that what did you understand from this slide? From the pictures?
I understand that these are the greetings.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So we will. So our first greeting is salut. Salut means hi in French, and we can say salut to a friend. So it is an informal salutation. To adults, you must not say salut. It's for for a friend. It's an informal salutation, and it's salut. You can repeat after me by unmuting yourself. Salut.
Salut.
Salute. 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 Salute.
Very nice.
Salute.
Next is bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour means good morning in French. It can also be used as formal salutation. Formal salutation to say hello. So if you want to say hello to your elders, you can use bonjour. It's bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yes, that's the right way. Now, next is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi means good afternoon in French. So we can say bon après-midi. Like now it's afternoon, so we can greet each other. Bon après-midi. Bon après-midi.
Bon après-midi.
Après-midi.
Okay. Next is
Bon après-midi.
Bon après-midi. Next is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening in French. So it's bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir.
Now next is bon vie. Bon vie. So bon vie means good night in French. To pronounce this, you can even say born and then you can say V, the alphabet V, born V.
Banvi.
Now next is au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye, but it can also be used to say bye. So au revoir.
Au
Au
revoir.
revoir.
Au revoir, Sanvi. This is au revoir.
Au revoir.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I had just joined the class. What were we doing?
Okay, so Sanvi is
Au
teaching us
revoir.
French. Okay, so today Sanvi is teaching us. Okay, all right.
Okay, ma'am.
I just wanted to ask you, when will my chance come?
Who is speaking?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, Adya, hold on.
Okay, so next word is mercy. Mercy means thank you in French. And it is said mercy. The R will be silent and it will be mercy. Mercy.
Let's see.
Next is a bientôt.
Mercy.
A bientôt means see you soon. So it's a bientôt. A bientôt.
Bientôt. Bientôt.
Bientôt.
Next is a demain. A demain means see you tomorrow in French. So it's a demain.
This is
The man.
Demand.
Adima.
Demand.
Adima.
A demain.
Okay, this is Adima.
Okay, ma'am.
Demand. Demand.
Next
Como
is
ça va?
komisava. Komisava. Komisava means how are you in French, but it is used for friends. So we saw that salut is an informal salutation. Same way, komisava is also an informal salutation and it is used for friends. So it's komisava.
Komisava.
And your answer to that will be ça va bien, merci. So it means I am fine in French to a friend. So if someone's ask you comment ça va, you can say ça va bien.
Bien.
Ça va bien.
Bien. This is
Bien.
Very nice. Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Yeah, very nice.
Ça va bien.
Next is et toi. Et toi means and you.
Et toi.
And you.
Et toi.
Et toi.
Et toi.
Et toi.
Okay.
Et toi. Next is comment allez-vous. Comment allez-vous means how are you in French, but to elders.
Comment allez-vous?
You can even use it for friends. So, like the like komisava was for informal, so you can say comment allez-vous for formal. So you can say comment allez-vous to elders also and to your friends also. Comment allez-vous.
Comment allez-vous? Very
Comment
nice.
allez-vous?
Mom, I have a doubt. I didn't understand the previous slide before this.
Okay.
Et toi.
Et toi.
This one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, family.
Okay, this means and you. If you want to say and
Thank
you,
you.
like someone's ask you comment ça va, you say ça va bien merci, then you can say ito means and you.
Tanvi, what is this written? I can't understand.
This.
Et toi. A means and. Okay. Et means and. But we pronounce it as A. Okay. Et toi.
Okay.
Yes.
Next is Jave bien merci. Jave bien merci. So Jave bien merci means I am fine, thank you. You can give it as an answer when someone asks you comment allez-vous. So if someone's ask you comment allez-vous, you can say Jave bien merci.
Je vais bien.
Yeah.
Je vais bien, merci.
So did you understood? Should we start with the quiz?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
So Paki, would you like to answer the first question?
Ma'am, I will.
Okay.
Okay. Continue.
So you need to fill in the blanks. So first
Ma'am,
is
can I do this? This is Arna. Jen.
Yes, Arna. You start
This
with the second one. You can start with the second one.
dash a.
No. Start with the second one. See, it's we, Sava. Then what do we say? Sava.
Sama BMRC.
Yeah, Sava be a mercy. Then we
Answer the first.
let's
Can
start.
I answer the next one? Can I answer the next one?
What's your name?
Atish.
Atish. Say like you can say what is hello in French?
Hello. Bonjour. And salut.
Yes,
Informal and
bonjour.
formal.
Good.
Very nice.
What is goodbye? Anyone wants to answer?
Yes, I want to answer. This is Arna.
I want to answer Twisha.
Okay. Tuisha, you can answer after Anya. Okay, Anya, what is goodbye in French?
Goodbye in French is au revoir.
Yes. And how are you, Tuisha? Would you like to answer?
Comment tu t'appelles?
No. How are you?
Oh. How are you?
Yes.
Comment ça va? Can I?
How are you?
Comment ça va?
Yeah, it's correct. And if you want to say to elders, yes, you're correct.
Comment
Next is, what is your name? We did not learn it.
Can I answer?
Okay. Okay, you can answer thank you. What do you say thank you?
Mercy.
Yeah, that's, and it's not mercy, it's mercy. R will be silent. Okay.
Okay.
And then, okay, next, I am fine. What will you answer that? I am fine. There are two ways, informal and formal.
Ça va bien.
Yes, that's correct. And if you want to say for formal, then
Je vais bien.
yeah, that's correct. Very good. Okay, next is this. This is the last. Then, like first child is saying salut. So salut, what means what?
Hello.
Yes,
Informal.
salut means hi.
Hi.
Yes, salut means hi. Next, the child is saying comme ça va. What do you mean by comme ça va?
How are you? How are you? How are you?
Yes,
How are you?
that's
Informal.
correct.
Very nice.
Yes. Then what is bonjour?
Good morning. Hello, formal. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, formal.
Yeah, you are correct. They are for both. If you say bonjour, then you can say hi also, but to elders or friends, and you can say good morning. Now, what is au revoir?
Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.
Yes.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Yeah, that's correct. So, thank you. Hope you like this
Thank you,
session.
Shanvi ma'am, for teaching us.
You're welcome.
you.
Thank you, Sandhya. Good job. Very well.
Mercy.
Messi. Okay, so anyone else who would like to teach today? Okay, Adya, you have question. Tell me.
No, ma'am. I wanted to teach today.
I think your chance was done.
Ma'am, Ashvi want to teach. No, ma'am. In the last class, I was absent.
But I think you already taught. Let me check one more time.
I'm Ashvi Singh.
Arshvi.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but I don't remember.
Okay, Arshvi, you can continue.
Ma'am, Ashvi is also right.
Okay.
me. Ma'am, can I teach?
Okay. Yes. Continue. So,
Ma'am, just a minute. I am opening the PowerPoint presentation.
Okay. Anyone else who is ready for today?
Ma'am, I am Atish. I was teaching the third class.
Yes, Adya.
Yes, ma'am, I Ma'am, please, but I want to teach again.
Again? Okay. So once we are finished, I will give you chance one more time. Okay? Okay.
And also,
Ma'am, can I want to ask something?
Ashvi,
Okay, Ashvir, continue.
Yes, me, ma'am.
ma'am, can I do after Ashvi? This is Anna Jain.
Okay. Arna, I think you are also done. Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am, I was the first one to do the Teachers' Day
Ah,
activity.
Someone is annotating. Ma'am, someone is scribbling.
okay. Okay, hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue.
Bonjour, this is Sanya. Happy Teachers' Day. Apprendre les alphabet. So, today we will learn apprendre les alphabet, les letter scripts. So, I will do.
I cannot see Ashvi's screen.
So, A as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, Ashvir.
Ma'am,
I think
me and
hold on. Hold on.
someone more had to teach third class.
Okay, so Ashvir, I think we will fix the day for class 3 students so you can teach on that day. Okay, Ashvir,
Okay, ma'am.
on Saturday it will be your turn. Okay?
From 8
Yeah, so
then I will do J to R, then someone come on, R to Z. Banana.
hold on, Ashvir, hold on. Okay, let me tell you one thing, like you can teach class 3 students on Saturday, the coming Saturday. Is it okay to you, Ashvir?
Ma'am, timings.
Timings, it will be 3:30, 3:30.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I also teach on Saturday?
Yeah,
Please?
class 3 for like as we have
This
already.
is Anna Jain. Can I also teach on Saturday?
I think you are
Ma'am,
already done. So that's why.
I want to also teach on Saturday because I
Yeah, Atish,
doing
okay,
Can I also do on Saturday after Ashvi?
okay, so class. Hold on. Okay. So Atish, Kashmi Goyal, and Vedanshi Soni, 4 of you will be teaching class 3 students on Saturday. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Arna. Can I also teach the class 3 students on Saturday, coming Saturday?
Okay, so I think Ashvir, will you be available on Saturday? 3:30?
Ma'am, I have to talk to my parents and my mother. Also, I have
Okay,
other classes.
because you are already, I mean, I fixed your time.
Ma'am, I also talk to my parents and confirm. And if it is confirmed, I'll write it on the group.
Okay,
Ma'am, but 3 to 4 I have a class.
3 to 4. Okay. Can you change the time for a day? For Saturday only?
Ma'am,
Okay, you can talk to your parents.
Ma'am, can I do on Saturday?
yes.
Arna, I think you are already done and I have already fixed the
Ma'am,
students
now should
for
I,
class
ma'am, now should I,
Yes,
If
ma'am, I am done.
Ashvir is not available on Saturday, then I can give you the chance. Okay?
Ma'am, Ashvi and Anna both
Ma'am,
have done.
ma'am, can I show you my PowerPoint and share this to Atish?
Okay. Okay. All right.
Ma'am, I will.
already.
Ma'am, what's the timing for Saturday? For I'm teaching on third. I'm
Okay.
teaching third class.
So for class 3, the timing will be 3:30, 3:30 afternoon.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Arshveer, Atish, Kashvi Goyal, and Vedanshi, 4 of you will be teaching.
Ma'am, I can also do Arna.
Okay, Arna, I think you can do something else. Okay, if you want to teach.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Can I also do this is Arna?
Okay, I will let you know, Arna. I will let you know. Okay. Can you hear me? Sachin? I think next.